and a year bani diaba somewhere. OCP Fertilizers, a boy chidamano pay, Sasso and an Institute of Expert Travel and Tour Limited for, and so Eddie to coin or more airtime cherry. Cloud Internet Ghana, so pay internet. Nadia Yajuma were Jumam any fear. Cloud Internet near can want some nature war. Mamma base area, what transfer what on so patrapa new site on more, Yadia, dear who they are no see, say again, Toya dia Cranoa, Yatamo, Sunsumune Humwa, for nature honor into us in Famo. Express Group Sosono at the Express Quaso at the amount for 8 to Quanqua Bruche, my beer, Opesa Okoso Nauko Yejuma, 3A Hebas Center, as also at the 3 Eco Capsules Abegasoa, Coco, I see you too, Amasia Ashe, Miss Zone 5G, Yagusua, Ya Yeno no more, ye, or your wedding, or your party, Punutu Bia, yes, sir, for us here. Now, Fee 21st Clinic Sosono, of Jafo, Osiatic and Trino, a Chuchu to Tua, what do you say, ya Bodia, Nase, or Iatua Duno, and ye, a dutuo, Nemum, a ye, 21st Clinic, and I was so called Nasiatic and Trino, Yashe, Emma, Emuda Honoma, Wadane, Eba, when no neighbor, Chidomobia, don't take my Vimwa, and ye baby, I will be no, yet me aba, not ya babes some more, Bedin Edina, ya Malibia Bogaria Mene, Ejapia. Apamdada abzafo yenye brain na for insam no mobrodo ntwo yenkoi na yenkututu na srani abasa enfmamo yede mo hyase de afim rase ge fim ene osofo a owesi kasam no ntoto yeso Dr. Mohammed Amin Adamani dakwan so be kom rase ge fim na eye media budget review no wode akwakotom rase gafo animu afimo no nyina akomasika wode kotom rase gafo animu se yemfama no mfama man no ho bra no afina pamu no also kom rase ge fim no woko kire se sika ne se so senso so be here be the piece and no eneni da kwan say emrase gani owo mrase ge fiem adesia e wo karagaba tompesia so wo beyo yan kom mrase ge fiem yenuaba na ya ebutu no mo yenkobusa se papa no aba na waba wabobon nsem no so akwakusese ni oba ya ma hen
me so mi ya be ma
bo min komo finance minister ba bedura na
mi ya ma menda ya se ni akwanya wode ya mame se ni aye nyina anyim se enne and a media budget review, finance minister, what the beba. So let's speak a share no may no pan do. Nansu some new cassay. And I should be done in point nasi, no much of Mudu media say. Nothing me truck chamber no ground for me the chair in premier. A democracy MPC media. Debre wom, Nansu minority numinia. Ekome bako pekula nti ho nanso amuma bonte metreye se budgeti omudebe so omumo so omuha oni senyo tidie na asio nia yede ya so to fama yetini se womu di chese MP common fund no ena munni administrator tenati ehye mukuni sede mama bi konfesi kana ma budgeti womu so omuma enti so far yentimi wi se enti na minority ni pese womu bebe sense to be party bi che honti a womu pese womu bebe betena na dwumade ni ya shaase fitia no pen ndu dunia mi na aboyi enti se yeni bi could be potenti a amadwumade no etimi ko na chisa eni empo na mowa leadership net ye who say your leadership ni wo caucus meeting enti ye twen che answer ne so mo beba no na se bi o mo ba na fanu na to mo ho asede a no ma betena se na dwumade no o mo de ahyehyɛ
anti eno susu nti na ma finance minister no susu ntimi ma ye no ana
sa eno su ka hu de se temna se be da fo na wo be ka de na kire wo no o mo metena se anwa na wo be ka kire wo
sa edom kese no wo ho sa MPs no wo ho ana
MPs no MPs wo ho de na so common fund na ye bi si fo nko ade a MPs ni na wo mo de yo ma ban onto mo no option that to come and sit down but opposition ni de mo kwa ma mo do mo ma
na oba ya nti se opposition for NDC for no ama finance minister won't me present media budget review no ana
Obutumia present say so many na kra ba na 138 numbers na they form column to conduct a business. Mention this is a budget, media budget review. Ah, one more share animu and yama buying year the 1 year quadru. Ebaya sifin say Honorable Amin Adam or your first time finance minister will present the budget. Not yes, minority yama. Ebenya Obedi who ya obey Mugwase from for the amano as first time minister. Now they are there, you say, a domcumane so moma.
Yes, say you don't say do baby Parliament etime ehye adwuma se ebia ewom se omani da kwan so the media budget review no ebeba de but omo onwuma nketen bia ewo honoma omo be ya ansa na waba eno so wo so omo ye ana se dom kumane ma ye nti no yese bibia ni wono a ekoso fie ho
one say speaker nankasampo o metnasi okay kran say ya bompa ye mpo ne ye and they do my dear no omudi feel baby omudi be kowie and so enti amani who dey say e koso nanso minority MPs in the be around America and the program ya ne honorable Haruna Idrisu former minority leader din komo no say sa budget we no ade anka be ye ne depa wo mu ni say aban ebe yi levy any COVID-19 taxes at all. When you feel ho, na fe we to ni no on sanko na chinko famra o to say no no de ba e beboa tax no or the chese e dose wo my Ghana so. Okay. And say one by it so no. So one by o mo to say na ko no ko maybe na ko fa new taxes bag ya. Any Ghana ko ni be promo so kwa. So this is a nyama ni say dia minority na expect say aban abolish levy and COVID-19 tax no only fi Ghana for ko mai hu try say COVID-19 no ye okoya wa amabi
na oba ye MP no anra ye pam no free mrase be gefie mu no se hwi ye so MP Dr. Kwaku free ye enne wo hunu mrase be gefie mu no mo se wo ba adwuma ba be kan nuanom ho ama wo ma ba betie budget no ana wo hunu ho
so far the me kasa ya de ne manation so de nanso one o tumi bia right bia se ne obeba adwuma enu na speaker pamo no enen ka ho
okay yo ene odi ma memfa wonsia bibia ni a yebesa so aba wonche bi why yeda sepa yenua ba na ya ene yekọ ne nche mrase ye fie mu a de yekoso ho no no yakọ akofa de abramo no
empenin se ansa na American se be siniti ase na wodi asase waka ede a kire no sade media review budget ebesi abamu ana asa emamu adonkuma nyama yi Tamale South mrase badwani honorable Haruna Idrisu wono ena kane donkuma wo mrase badwafie na otua wo ma no na pani asase tete aba bi e wo budget na yewurami adande ba betudwa ne wo chese COVID-19 review no wo mo hwehwehwe mo wo hu se niam bi ko chew enti ansana papa ekura wo beba ba be kasa a kire se yakọ nhoma no wo mo de bi ka ho anase de yedi amana kana beso ama ensesan ka akire no e wo se wo mbusa ne sa COVID-19 no mpa no wo kirikirem na okoye we be no wo mo hu ba bi aman no ni sika sem esi enenamo na we nso ye omamu ni nyina de enti se ofa Public Financial Management Act no 2016 one mu ye no Act 921 eno ma papai akwanya pa se wo mebiebie niema so emfa nkire timamufo me hu ba bia se yesika kura ye de boy ye ho bra no yedi amanaduru na afi de ye de ba besoso anase se ne ho nsem etie na pani kasa no ene da ansa na dwumadi beba so nei no wo modi kan kura toto nsem no ntu adada se de yewura Haruna Idrisu wadi tu dwa no ye nsantrofo nso ye tasibi.
This media review of the budget and economic policy of the government of Ghana will produce the same undesirable, disappointing outcome. This media review cannot end Ghana's unsustainable debt. This media review cannot end the escalating prices of goods and services in Ghana. This media review cannot end the frustration of the private sector with the cost of doing business in Ghana. This media review should be able to reintroduce road tolls. You remember we told them that they will come back to it. They have come under the National Road Authority Bill, kind of smuggled it in as a policy without apologizing to Ghanaians that they now believe that road toll is worthwhile. It has always been worthwhile. And for major private sector investment, you need that to spare people to want to invest in that particular sector. I expect them, if they are a smart government, to do away with COVID levy and to do away with e-levy, because e-levy too has become a nuisance tax. You projected that you would earn 6.9 billion in 2021. So 6.9 billion multiplied by 3 years, we should have been out of the woods. They ultimately have ended with just about 890 to 1 billion Ghana cedi. So the projections, they got it very, very wrong. We still think that a paperless, cashless economy is desirable, and we warned and cautioned against it. You remember at the time we held them on for 6 months. I always said that if the Ghanaian public had joined us, you probably would have had the kind of situation that happened in Kenya. But because we were able to hold government, the public still felt that had faith and trust in the legislature. Now, on unsustainable debt, I think that parliaments must share the blame, because we are in this deep hole and steep of superior mismanagement of the economy. And we are, as you are aware from my sources, the government of Ghana cannot borrow non-concessionary beyond $250 million into 2025, and probably not beyond $500 million into 2026. It's only 2027 that it may look good. The alternative to expanded improved revenue is to cut expenditure and to discipline and allow for prudence and optimal utilization of your resources.
Tamale ana formula shebedwene honorable Haruna Idrusu ya kane na oda donkuma na no na ate se wo bibie nsem no oche sei aban de ebe no won hwese won fa eto mechire sikato akese bia nsa meguti mamufo ko mu se de ye ho ewie no ansanso ankwankɔyire.
Observe yen to akase no so mam yeguso de mo mrase je fie mu no mo se ne ye mo ne mo semenra se mampeni na nado dan kwakufa do twro krata ko mrase jafo se wapaw ewura no mo be mienu se semrase jafo no ji wo mutu mo nko my Ghana court batan Supreme Court no mo nko ye adwuma se atemu for emwa ema tentene ne ho nsensem ntumpone no ho nsem ne ho manso a esori mrase je fie me wiase na se hwi oso mrase je ne Dr. Kwaku Afriye mrase je fie mchi amene right honorable Alban Kingsford Sumana Babin Achiaba Ale Akanesi Abonting apam na free mrase je fie mo no fi se kwane a speaker fa so ba manie e de eche mrase jafo no na sa asem no wo bua ne sa wasi ginaye wo ho wa bra entutuye ne nhyesie mu ne kwan se mrase je fie eche amehene utu sa na mo no a utu no enra no na emra wo mo ka ne si abonting epam ne free mrase je fie mo no no ne nua mrase je ni a owo mrase je fie ma de se won se wo ma do gire abaton pesua so a wono ene de takra wujom de ma edom kese no e mrase je fie mo no bo franka no dom pre sa bre ne kese no na akwa epani a owo eye mrase je fie mo no mo a na odi edom kese nanim osore ye epa chaw kese e de ema eye sewi eyo so mrase je ni sedi si ye no entwe ya mrase je fie mchi ami ne right honorable Alban Kingsford Sumana Babin emfa enche na we hwe no man ko ne manso ankwa twetwe bia nkofa asemfoforo amane nkomu ntwa so enko manim e wo mrase je fie mo no mo na sa cha opa we ya honorable Frank no dompre ejina aseywe so mrase je ni anamu paaye no ene ne waba bontia ba be kire se krache no wansuma no so onko pache mano no de okan no ogusu agina de okaye ne mu a won hu mfomso a oyeye ne bone oyeye a eno nti speaker of parliament ka ne si abonten won pache ne empo bia chawchna e was officer speaker no bia a wode mrase gane ekeka kono nyade a ebebo mo my God ye kebma min kebino etu empone Dr. Kwaku Afriye.
I was drawing the attention of the speaker to our rules and procedures. See, the president had nominated 2 persons to replace 2 Supreme Court judges who were bid for retirement this year. So it's not like he was appointing new judge replacement. But the speaker, instead of sticking to our procedures and sought out to, to advise us that when it comes to us, either through committees or even in plenary, the way we should go, we should be listening to Ghanaians, what they are saying, what is pertaining in their public space. Look, I know that the whole atmosphere about appointments and things have been poisoned in the Ghanaian space. But look, on the other hand, some of us have to be very, very cerebral about these things. But so I would not be tempted even to go into the merits of whether judges are many or not. I am of the contrary view that what we are saying even is not even true. It's not borne by the empirical facts. But let me save that one for another day. What I'm saying is that the speaker didn't stick to rules and procedures, and that he sought to advise us to vote when it comes to that, or deliberate on the matter. How to have worked that, because that which if you don't see why. Look, let me tell you, I'm not a coward though. I'm not a coward. Look, you go and ask President Kufuor. I ask for president government. I won't bring him in. I speak my mind. Can be wrong, and I'm very, 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 very humble. But as for my mind, there nobody can take it from me. And when I'm wrong, I will apologize. And you think that ruling was right to have walked me out because I dared to disagree with him? I didn't.
I'm going to wait. I am Raswe Junior, one Raswe Fima. This year was session. You also about Tom Pessia. So, Doctor Koku every year and the attending canoe.
When we are medo kwakwayem na baby amekwe aban kwaya wahye de yi ato na kuroma nyina edoma bɔ ho ban won kawe eno eya atwema mponua abato mpesua no so na semansi no wasantema ntemu ha ya mangwase ɛhɔ na saa kwa ibrentu yi wɔ na penimpa otua wo ma no de atodwo ɛkyɛsɛ sɛ bi ebinom ayedua buroni a wo mo hye kwaye num wo mo de excavator sofi aso nyina ka ho ene pikas ya wo mo bɔfom ada wo mo ye korikori apeska okɔ kakra na wo mo nso akɔ sese anya bredi bi se knife wo mo aba be chedi ne no na yewura esel dia to dwa kyese wonde ombe onse akura wombe jaja wo mo ama wo maka ne mo we pa de wonya ma wo mo nwe we no na nipa makoma dumiensa bia wo mo so wo mpa achi ede wo mo koma police force sesei ye de akwato police for kukum na wo bɔ ho kokɔ kyese wo de wo a wo se wo ye bema na ubi bi wo so no bowura kwaye no na wadwen se obetu fam agudie na obetu awie won besan so aso amamra ne wadi yewura Abraham ese na kire mu sei
e won kono de asase a ye kwa frame resantia e ba ha na so ni paboni fo no nyama adwen se on beja ntie soso no enya ya adwen se ye soso ye be ma ho asem na koda enokre achi nipa bi a mo fa akoti kwa asukura e kwa ye bi e fe no General Forest Reserve na mo kɔhye okoye galamsey na de hard when kakra was abia no say company bia omode sika be hye duam from Two Eyes Plantations omono age sase ne bi wo hono a omone forestry commission aka boom public private partnership due nua wo sabia ye ho na America krani galamsey fo ya no mabo awuram we mu ye omo amukuta sofi ne pickaxe and now more gold detector machine on ta friend no pian no ana se bo hwehwe fo no omura sabia ho a tutu ama ne sa na omo ko ye galamsey no nti ya ni tu omo so sa lanado be ko nyomo no madwane ne ma bi atiti sa nti na ehwe no na pon no ya ye diamai nti ene amango asefo kura no so ben kwaye no from forest French community omo ben kwaye no nti ene Two Eyes Plantations for no aduma e for no ene amango ase kromu hofo no bi ne tisiru na unit committee for no ne e kabo mu se da bi so mo boa he na yetimi etu nipa bone for na se ti ya wade twa ma na do be se duba ko apa ho se makakra na do no ena nkrofo e ko ho so mo koye galamsey nti we de amango ase unit committee ne nkrofo no de ka mo bom na ja mo to safre ya e dimri ka koye na eno mo kabo mu bowura kwaye ni mu na de se ko to se nipa no bumu a omo ebisa adwuma no
yewura Abraham Esel na ote se wo kyerɛkyerɛ mu na ahwɛ sɛ de wo mo si adosa kwaye no mu ho na foma gudie na wo mo penesa no na yewura Benjamin Jedu wono na akwa amango ase afa hon Career district ho a wo hwɛ so ene wono nso de tudwa kyɛ sɛ adaworo mo won de bɛka ne prenye premfa sɛ de ekoi no eba sa wo mo sɛ obo ade bɔbre no na ewie nso kura esande nsunsuanso bɔne eba nipadua no so ne sɛ hunti wono mo ntwe won ho mfiri ho
Jimra exceptional forest reserve and I deforestation. And now for the past 2 years, I think for no, I did all my having and yes, I'm Kutua. Enjoy a dear 6 years crown. How much I say to you? I'm a 2 more, first for 2 more. Tibiania say, yeah, the one I say, Jabo. Nabe musumini dio eya dinsemo no mbi nya sese le community ni na hyiana omo eboai tiene na na momwo adumasa mango asefo no ehia se kwan de wo na yomudia na ye de just ketekes into mo ye na intumi mo ban into mo committee for no so ehia mo mbo ya no mbo ye anu ba se de mo tumi no mbo ye no de aboa na tumi de kwan na sense obi mu nti ye tatete illegal manners no tachum pa amisa busumi branch pa tibe miensa na se nine na de se ama adwuma na de kese na se no mo kwa pardon na eko bo ni pa 30 40 na de eba na no ye ifie de twam ye na nyante se ni pa be eduanan bi e reserve ni
eno pani a won na ye hwesofo e wa mango ase kwaye na e won kawe no na ate se wo kase yura Benjamin Jedu
abzanfo yemfa mu mfiri mu asemi mu ai na afi yemfa mu nkongumasuem na ababeto dwase ya chechefo mo kira de ewo yi teacher training colleges ahodo na ne ye fe ne se colleges of education no wo mo ewo atuatem atena fie be bosome ne ye kire ni a abzan wo mo enko suku mpode mpese ye manu a wo mo ejeje ntiti aba bonti aba be checha de se teacher fo no wo mo akwa kire wonu ma de na be bosome ne ye kire ni a wo mo atena fie no na ene entiti abeto Sompa FM nsɛmtwefo pono so se Ghana Tertiary Education Commissioner etweniti afene se GTech mpenimfo atwokrata ede akwakoma controller and accountant general's department saatina ye wei ena eja bosome so a abadwumayefo nyina ye omudidi abambotomu no eja wono ene hwe ewawa wo bia ketua de man kama na omatwokrata akwakoma wonum se hwe no ma mo hu musuo sa chechefo mo kira de ewe Ghana ye teacher training colleges num no omo eko na July bosumi womo akwakutua wonuma ade womo akwakutua womo ka ne nyina so mo fi se bosumi July ya ye womi achechefo na trefie be bosumi mienu nie ya womo nom pamoye nti womo nsem se yetuatua wonuma ka ene nkomo no so a womo ani achechefo no edie no ase tintintiri ntisem abam chenchene asem no womo efi se so womo ntua womo ka eno no bebo mu hu apo mu pusa emebia womo asese omadwene ne ba se ye no a yete yesa aban ye na adwene se bosumi July ya ye de kwakogui achechefo omo kira de we teacher training colleges awodo no wontua womo ka no ege ye se ne ye mompiri wonum ye kobu so omo se nyambia womo te se pran aban afanie se bosumi nyade ye betua womo ka na opene Prince Obenhema ye pene kwanchefo a achechefo omo kira de we teacher training colleges no wada woman wo se we dawro mpo mare na nye na ba enye we ne behunu na wo mo enye sa popo we ya abapeso popo na nidigu wo mo so no na bese so madwene de omo ka na wo mo ka ne sisi.
Finally, NSC is making all effort to misinform the public that it has obtained an ex parte injunction against SETAC's ongoing strike action. The undiluted fact is that NSC filed an interlocutory injunction motion against SETAC on the 9th July 2023 at the Labour Court 1 in Accra, 2024. SETAC's lawyers filed a motion in opposition to the application on the 16th July 2024. The interlocutory injunction in question motion was to be held on the 18th July 2024. But when the parties went to court that day, the case was adjourned to 6th August 2024 due to the absence of the sitting judge. As we speak now, the ex parte injunction that people have been talking about, I am the president of SETAC. I can be easily located. I have not been served any such document. I have no knowledge about it, and I'm unable to comment on a document that I have no knowledge about. We are not running anywhere. If there is any document from the court, I think the right process is that you look for the person who is standing in for SETAC and then serve him with that. They know the procedure. We are yet to receive any such document. And when we receive it, we'll give it to our team of lawyers to give it the response that it deserves at the court. Ladies and gentlemen, we are by this statement informing the public that SETAC's strike action is legitimate, since the union followed all laid down processes before declaring the strike action. And students of labor will tell you, labor law will tell you that since Ghana came into being, this strike of SITAC will go down as the most legitimate strike action Ghana has ever seen, because we followed all due processes. We were, patient in going through all the processes.
Fonti we ya cheche for no monchra de we teacher training colleges ahudu no mon yete wo mo enka no opani prince obehima na eye president da wo ma no so keka ne masi ani a teacher training college ahudu aye wo e wo Ghana nyina ye mako aduanan ensia 46 Ghana nyina emu achechefo ene wo mo atifie ya aban echese July yi kapre kura wo mfa ma wo mu.
Ene na chese bibia ko yesikasem ewo man no mu obeton wo ni nyina yesika ne no na penimpa wona ne da HUD group ano yewura ya pebi doctor wodi atudwo chese sesei eda Ghana fo dodo na tirimu se ababia ye beto no se bi o usika ene kire enye woni suade hunu obotai anase adwenpapa bi awo edema se adwumaku anase wo man no na ni nyina nkamfu ano ehyaase efiri niti esanse sabo no bepora niti enefiri firi na hyaase nkwanko ese yenyinwie no esikasem hyaase kosie ntenya ba ne sa na ayese de bibia ni ayeto efiri wo mo primary so emra mesese yenkoto wo mamu ni nyina ade no de dati mamufu adwene mu ne se na sa primary school wo motoe na me 7 December wo mantua amento saa na akwakoye ena odi tudwo achese ewo se niema timisesa pa na yeyi niema binum efiri yentirim na okura Dr. Omanebo Amade Kokoto na social media page se be yakura nkasa Regional Coalition Center no yenyimfiri ho na nwiamu no ho na sha ase efiri na wo se ba mramu nso a eno gina branne ye wo se etimi eye adwuma na emom sade ebeye na niema betimi asesa na yeyie no ya anso setimamufo ye mo ye ho pagya bi na fe niema binum ho a yenyimfiri yetirim na abato komisade eda Ghana fo nyina ne fakese na atirim se enye dura abato asa te bia wo betimi ayeyire a ma obi anya na obi benya nso no na yesika sade ete no Dr. Yajebi ekire mu se wo bra no ne Sompa edi nkomo
large have become what people have described as, manitocracies. So not only is the perception down, like the 23 points you're talking about, because generally democracy itself has not delivered. It has not delivered the goods, but the process itself has been fraught with challenges. So people, for example, don't believe we are getting the electoral process itself is giving us the people who have the heart and the competence and the care to drive the nation forward, because they know how the people got the votes. They know that the votes were bought. So right on from the onset, the process itself is flawed. And if you have a process fraught with issues, you know that the end result is not going to be satisfactory either. I think that by and large is the thing. Then of course, there's also the perception that the numbers are somehow cooked. So if you look at the conversation going on, between the political parties and the EC right now, there's a lot of back and forth. Should we have these coalition centers? Should we have them at these various levels? Or no, let's remove this level. This is where I saw somebody responding to the NDC, Dr. Omani's social media post a few days ago. Saying that no, let's not have these regional coalition centers. That is where the stealing happens. So he was like, no, but constitutionally, we're supposed to have that. So that cannot be removed. The perception that we don't get what we vote for because of the system itself.
No one watching no said the Ubika said the system is working. Nemum Yahano system no. And ya edisa nyina ba
afeyan famon ko no aboketi amon nsem ne mu ebeto dwase osoafo yi a ohwenfidi nyuma ne dwade ho nsensem aye nhyehyeye se wo mo a wo mo yesurement ewo omayi mu no wo ne wo mo ekwa akosia no madi nkomo na wo ma hwese cement bo si ebetum si ebete so se begina se no ebra no bra na tena ye ne bebem na omsuso wo mo cement no omsuso wo ma bambia obia ehun konkokyere no na sa nhyehyeye a wo ye yesenka wo ne wo mo ye cement o memu besia no ba ko o man ba mienu etoso mienu Africa don be ka kire ne say meeting na ye ba ne yanka nkire o say ye pensem twefo o nti abeto nsem twefo a ye nane unye meeting bi ani ma keso mu twifa so koe afi woti wonu ma minister yi eko bi afre ne say womra na onu omomotu ma kakra no mo hwe o masetenam ne o mabra bo mekwan a na tena ye ne befa so abo mo duru hono mo a cement fo eso o mani mu ne no say krachi se mo ansori empia ene me meko se me penin toto etese me mafra mo suko no manom se mo mra me yenye meeting na maba betwi afa me so akọ na maba na me ba bedi me nkomo papa bia aha na mbewe ye mo ni mbosa bosa baba betena sei aba beka mo nsem de a kire me ene ne papa ne keke bi kire wo mo ka kire mo se so mampia ene ono no beko ba ye ni papinu a ahwe ma no fia se eja tete mampombensi de si papa hu a wo mo ehoro no na ne waba bontia ba be kire mu na ne kire mu ode ma ye eni
baby I would go na pa o se medase abro I had my cement no ye ne yepa bia amna da ho first san net ye new rules regulations bia obi aba onya asase kakra no woni sika kakra pa na obatena so obe cement o ye wi a ebi ya de ebi dia ba frefre mu hunya ti say ye say obia woni mra so na cement na de frame ma cement na aye de no o ya cement papa ya cement no ye friend cement no o mo famra ento ebo ase sa mra no ye de aba o mo hwe so no mo anye cement no ben for de akire ya o mo hwe mo te ya na nse ngofo bia na o mo ye bia o mo de dan koye no ke ye tototo o mo apunu mu nyina mu ya sa mo o mo ayi kakra mo hwe na mo ye ne nya sa ye batum ye wie ne en say okay ye be cement no say ya hye mra so omunya ma ne fefefe anya kama anya cement papa but ne buo no so mo de ton Ghana fo no so no anya papa ena obati asesei ogina obati asesei ye beti asesei ena committee amaye wo dadadada wo say in sa lord na amaka kire mo no committee bi wo medija wo mo say mo nhwe na mo mode na tama me wo ministry of energy no oho na ye start say sa na wuto petrol wuto na wuto na kra wuto no tema wuto no bolga wuto no hefa kuma se ni nyina na bo pe no aye policy bi ne ye betimi aye bi wo cement industry no so man wuto cement a ne ne bo tibia no aye the same mo me nhwe sa ide ne ye bi committee mo mfra wo mo no mo nkasa cement manufacturing association omo ye members of sa committee na mati no omo afei number 2 ne bo no so adding mama yanhwe ne enti cement bo no adding sa no yanhwe price no mo ye de dai aka asema make am say march bosume na asema ka ye say ne ye ka march as a February March April May June July na ye de ko na wieye maka me bisa say omo ma meeting no omo ba cement manufacturers no omo ka omo nti ase ne the report abreme ne maka bia no enkosi hwe ehiame Ghana for said ya ekoso no enkoye amra me de ba ye nyina no mum tie mra ne abani nyina no ya na omo ka omo say na taxes aya na cedi ni dollar no ana obi ani Ghana ha onim sa anoma we say nti maximum make ni nyina no very simple me say mumma mo price build up no ne nti a mo de ye 120 mo de ye 130 mo de ye 100 no mumma ye nhunu mu na monhu a report na mo de bebre mo tax build up no mo me yenhwe dollar no ne cedi no said ye city no mo ntro me yenhwe mo wi a taxes dodo na e Ghana ha na mo ka ho asem no mo ntro me yenhwe obi anim say ukoye say nyuma we say utua say be nipa ka na o mo ye adwuma labor cost all related costs utilities mo fa nyina enka ho but mo publish na yenhwe we ye ka we na entokwa
amzafo no abo entokwa wo mo yeso so ofefesi wo mo womo ye fa face womo ye no ye adwene amzafo ti we orabo keti ya mo na ne yete ne nke wo ye mrase bedwene a owo mrase bedwe fie ma de se wadanse asokwa baton pesu aso asantememo na osaso ye soafo a ohwemfiri nyuma ene dwede hu nsensem na yete ne nke ne nyina soromenti ne bo ya omo sori ya no matutum rofrofo no wo se bo mrei ne yentena se na ne wo se mesoso me ye mamuo no ma ye edi amamu nkrofo ba kese se be ye ombekode bia alata momo no mobo edi che papa na wa chichi nsemu di akire no amzafo yem fast dama OCP asagrasa wo mo na eta ye chire na ye na nmakuafo fertilizer papa ya wo de pitim fudie no so se wudo ntoso se wudo mo se wudo bro kese de wudo bia ope fertilizer papa wo de piteso ebeso doso edi ama na asase no enfo ne keto a eye wate bag bebre boto bebre a eye OCP fertilizers asem ene ye kade chire wo ye wo OCP NPK 15 ene wo OCP NPK 10 20 10 wodwa so a ne nyinaa baby atonto agrochemicals ne ma no enye na ho 0555 9094 3705559094 37 na yedin komo Institute of Expert Travel and Tour Limited for yadu tu kwan o ma be na opese okoso okoye adwuma okoso okoye business okoso okoso yade okoso okotena ho okoso okope business partners okonsrahwe ho say Canada say US say Australia say Germany say France say Malta Portugal, New Zealand, Serbia, and the UK num na opese okwa abusua Institute of Expert Travel and Tour for se bra na yemfa unko oye nurse ni oye midwife oye pharmacist oye medical doctor oye lab technician oye kuani oye teacher ni oye adwuma bank oye Messi ye carpenter ni oye labor ye watchman opese utukwane a abusua for number ECC 0539858766 0539858766 na fe cloud internet open internet dia ye adwuma baby a wo bia cloud internet ni ye kan wasem de kire wo se ye adwuma mu se ye fie cloud internet se bra ne ma internet papa e be gina so abre bia 0244601933 0244601933 ma mi abe wose awie watena se otano so patrapa new site hono ya de bia de hu de yesi yento yade de yesi sunsum yade de yesi abusua na atɔ sunsum ene hunhum de amawo ma me abe se branen betonchia na obekire se aduro ho aban ne de yetire de onim o de onim ena etie nyo bia ne timi sa yade ma me abe se bra na seka sa yade no a epiepia manfo so kra no a kyese obi antimi nkon no wasa na nyenketenkete no a yede hororo ye mpre adwa ye no yade bia ko mami abe onto asiema tano so patrapa new site wa yanshi wono mo no wo 0243 345392 0243 345392 Express Group so ya the Express kwaso edu tukwan amwakwa ko yadwuma ewo man bia so Express kwaso ye do ko Canada Express kwaso ye do ko US Express kwaso ye do ko UK Express kwaso ye do ko Australia Express kwaso ye do ko New Zealand Express kwaso ye do ko Germany Express kwaso ye do ko France, Italy, Belgium, or my bia, ya opesa okoso. Express Group self our passport ne breyen, ye jevesa namao. Ya, like you say, a boss so you dia no utu yesika edia maye. Commercial staff labor on about no so near war and crime so no. Kaneshi first light why or tema your community 18 last big golf filling station no enchenwa. Any name come 0249 0004 48 0249 0004 48 3A Heba Center and a 3 Eco capsules abegwa so a koko na sie tu ama se ase yebedidie ne yanom die and that's a boa koko no betene ne pedue ne mo na pedra ano ase na Food and Drugs Authority pen for agia tumu a ehye koko ase tu koko ase a 3 Eco capsules so 0546107107 Mizone 5G drink no yeguso aye bobo wo ye wedding otopono bia na pe drink ya obeseve amana ti wani ma hye wani munyamo a Mizone 5G 0246270221 0246270221 na fi 21st clinic so no yakọ Yesi ateke ntine no a etwetwe na eduru baabi a yadwene ye se eyobi na ato yeduro ena obi na abo yeduane enye dua o ena enye dutu bia ye frɛ no yesi ateka ntine no afiri usisim efa oto na sesa befa onankokom fa onantu edekosi unampo so no etimi ka oto dem na asa akoye o stroke bisa asechese wobubugu honomu a oje ho baabi a enye abusua ko 21st clinic ye ne wonro ye wonfidie ewa doctor fo wanimdifo a yetu ase ediama 0540311311 now ni yedi nkomo Kumasi we share overseas Alpha Radio nchenwa ena yebutu yenchesi mre yeba komo no pia ka kira ye be pie muso awie
21st clinic aye sciatica expert sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia be si ase ho no se ho techema eno ene ye fa ne sciatica na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo sirem wo je ho ba bia enye na eno na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye ntia baso bo magine wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketewa wɔn gye international awards ahodoɔ wɔn gye local awards ahodoɔ na ano nso na wɔn bie the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim ha no ebi ni baabi a gye 21st clinic nkoa wɔn de bibiduro ɛna bɛsan ɔyare no masa de machine aka ho ɛyɛ ayaresabea yare bia wutimi de kɔ ne mama adeɛ baako a wɔn agye di wɔn paa no ɛyɛ sciatica ɛna stroke nso de kɔ a diabetes ne hypertension ne ade Ghana ha baabi a wɔn wɔ hɔ frɛ 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 na ɛsɛ 21st clinic wɔn yɛ sciatica expert.
Introducing Mixer 5G Sparkling Drink, a whole new refreshment in a can. Mixer 5G is a tasty non-alcoholic drink. It is a perfect companion for all your events, including parties, weddings, and funerals. It is made with green tea, ginseng, guarana, grapes, and grapefruit. Get refreshed with Mixer 5G Sparkling Drink. For bulk purchases, contact 0246 270 221. This advert is FDA approved.
Afuyi afuye na saduru hobi mu enti wo dwedwe fertilizer afiwe uba yusu ana esan se afra se fertilizer woto ye amwa wo no na ma wadwuma no anyina eto ape onobaye no antumi anyini na nso do so e ma woboka ani atumda fertilizer papa abadwa so de eno ane OCP fertilizer egumu ahodo akuafo a modo enobaye ebitise atoko awuo emo ene atosode ahodo no omo enkoje OCP MPK 15 ana OCP MPK 10 akuafo a omoso edo legumes ebiti say soya beans, peanuts and beans omoso enkoje OCP fertilizer a eye TSP OCP fertilizer ebusu wo baabia ye ton ya yoma e wo man Ghana mu ha enoti atufo enfre 0555 909 437 ana 0555 909 433 OCP fertilizer papa OCP yejina ho magana ene Africa biayo
Brakese ye duabon waso a ne dwumadi wo nipadua biara pomden ene na brabo mu ne hiye pa enye prekese nko nuaban ne haban bi te se kwawunsusu a abonwono ne dia akeka ho no kura enwanunu ahodo a ekwa animu yi ankasa prekese ne sa nuaban bi nom ne akeka bobudi afa abefo kwan so a ye de ye prekese powder siesi nipadua na abakwa ahodo no ho ban afri mpani yade ne yade ahodo pi ho fa enkodate de ma baako freduane anopa ne anwumre anafa enkodate de ma baako woni nsuhie yeti anopa ne anwumre wobra wodidi awie ubenya prekese powder to Kingswalk Herbal ne Heroes Herbal Accra Okesi Drug Lane Dani Herbal Kumase Mensa Takrade Mose Pharmacy ne Greenlight Pharmacy Sunwane Kashenkari Supermarket Asantoa Herbal ne Bibidro Depot Techiman Sewa Herbal Mampong etufo mfre 0550 19 15 14 prekese powder aduane san yedro FD ahwehwe sankratu emu agi atum
ei sewa mehu acho me na no mebisa ekra so kwa brochu
Kwaku, afeina mebeko. Menkrata krani.
Ei, ene mema connection man for den kofo sika aduane ne wanya otwedi dimu sa no.
Oh, Express Group adaromenti akwento aye for. Opese otu kwan kosua de a Express Group do be call mine be to say Canada, US, Australia, UK, and Germany. Say a tour na se visiting so a Express Group do be call Dubai, Canada, US, Australia, and Germany. Mo amopese motu kwan koye adwuma nso obetimi de wako Dubai, Qatar, and South Korea. If you also want to take international tests like SAT, IELTS, TOEFL, GRE, GMAT, they can help you pass easily. They can also help you secure a good job in the UK. You should make sure you Kumasi Asafule Roundabout Accra and so Omo Carnation First Light, Tema Omo Community 18 Lashabi Girl Filling Station. From Omo Macho for ISO 055 555 0067 and 0249 000448.
Here in Ghana, when it comes to chicken, the good old days are back. Why? Because Boris B's Chicken, BBC, is here. Yep, give your family and loved ones Boris B's Chicken. Fresh, tasty, delicious. Boris B's Chicken is produced right here in Ghana by our cherished poultry farmers with support from the Ministry of Agric. Get whole frozen chicken, gizzard, chicken feet, chicken neck, and chicken liver for those special family meals, buffets, picnics, funerals, and all restaurants. Get Boris B's Chicken. It's halal, so everybody can enjoy wherever you are. Call Boris B's Farms hotline 05-444-444-53. Ask for our branch that is closest to you and come get your chicken. Boris B's Chicken, BBC, proudly a Fiakoko.
Sompa TV, Emma Akitiapa.
Yadamase Mwakwa Abase Mwatwen Yen. Sompa 93.1 radio no so Sompa TV itwegu bebia 90.7 eno bono east na afana fe 98.9 so sunwaye na henkro na eho na mede wo ekohyase afiri University of Energy and Natural Resources eho na amanwe free ba bebia wonom ehwe amanebo na afi abode munyansape ho nsam so wo maye application bi dia ba abonten a wo ba no sabi enya fe na ade no bekwa ya sabia akwakohu ne yade etene so nkankan ne mojawe se ewo no so a no ane se wo mode phone yi scan nani wo frɛ ne hrete ne wo mahu se obai ne moja so ate anasa awe ne no na Dr. Peter Apiahe ne wono ne pani a wotua wo ma no wo kyerɛ se nyame de kya boso mene de to so do no nsia kora wo mo hyɛ da bodwa kɛse na fe de wo mo ayo asuafo no wo ma pa hontema ni nyina nso ba beboa Ghana na we no digitalization no wo mo de asomu pa wo de ye adwuma na wo kyerɛkyerɛ de wo mo ayo ne ne ɛda woni ma obetimi aye
na nda wase na mama obi biara wo de wie mu awie aha ye sha awie ya enye bibi bone anase enye ne bone so a eye department ayefeno information technology and decision sciences a department here at University of Energy and Natural Resources I attended a man in Nema I am a Buno our technology and I said and no man a friend of Abafu ye church the same man one man said you see sign on my develop and also design applications here ombeti ya nyoma bebebe e obi ase e boy ma yeti si e nyoma bebebe mpan e obi ase na the fence afu nipa ye hwe omani se omo be ba be bo adumadi e boro empim bienu aye 2000 participants and until they say e no be event a fact technology one asa be ho a e kese pa ye organa na e gugu da ma obi akotine ewo technology manasa be dumedie ewo Ghana ha ebebi yenya ya maame aye fe no kosna akufu awon ye minister for communication and digitalization obeba no na no disem abetudra efa ye ministry ni na aban the party MPP aban wo ye edebua technology
Penny wono ankasa nso eba abato komisa wo mabadwaku no woka ho enti wo wie na ode tu dwa se afia abato no se de digitalization na ye adwuma no wo mo de saa bewio na asundwe nso atweneti
Obzanfo nyina we so ne yemfa kase ne nsiri nsori ma sompankomo ensom entwaso ya ne aye som mawie na na ya bo malivia boga wie mene
Ejapia apam dada
my sweetheart is